Hello. So, this is the guide to the Deepflow Rift. It's a scannable combat site level 1, so super easy. Once you warp in, you have a 15-minute timer. You need tractor beams as said. The tractor beams will stabilize the hole, which can trigger NPCs. So this is like root drones, 6 of 7, frigates and Desi. They will not tackle you, but weapon disrupt. So take care that when you go above 3 tractor beams, you slowly fish. Just relax. I have one video where I show you how I do it. I'm not checking the wormhole, but you see that in the end I'm triggering 2 waves, but also I have my 27 cans, so I'm looted the full site. Anything important? Oh yeah, you need 162 M3 of loot, of space, which you can unpack into like 3 or 4. So it's blue loot, easy peasy. Yeah. So far, watch the video. This is it. Super easy. It's nothing complicated. You don't need a marauder. Ishtar is fine. Probably less. Have fun. About the loot, in a perfect world, 100 mil per hour, probably less because you need to scan the site, you need to get like a nice drop, but it looks like that you always get like 20 mil out of it, so good luck, have fun, it's a very nice site, I love the animations, love it, maybe something comes out, we will see. Have a good one, fly safe, Kane Carnifex.